Just welcome on board Florian Bouchaud, which is the small and medium business lead for Europe, isn't it? No, for Italy and France in Bing.
Exactly.
He's a long-lasting digital expert, more than 15 years of career, and now he's in Bing. And he will talk about search marketing trends, and just say hello to Florian.
Thank you, Gianpaolo. So good morning, everybody. Very happy to be here as well. I'm going to mostly speak about trends in search and how Bing and Microsoft looks at search and how we want to shape the industry and what's going on in the near future. Just to start, are there any Italian speakers in the room? How would you translate "how are cows connected"? Okay. Because one of the things we're going to try to do at Microsoft is to find new ways of people to use search. So obviously, I'm not sure if everybody's yet on Bing Ads, even though we have some really good stats. But probably most of you use PowerPoint. And one of the things we do in PowerPoint is to use translator. So for example, using the databases and stuff we have from people, so Bing Translator. What does it, oh yeah, it doesn't show because I'm in stuff mood. Because I don't see the same thing.
Switch the camera allo schermo. You want to show the...
Yeah,
Cambiato?
Oh, sorry. It's the fun part of live demos. There we are, super. And here is...
just move, with the mouse, just move on the right.
Oh,
okay.
Yes.
It's okay.
Perfect. So I'll just turn around a little bit here. Voila. So yeah, using Bing Translator, I can look at how are cars connected because that's going to be one of the parts I'm going to talk about. And obviously, como le mucche, that's how you say? Sono collegate. So that works? Okay, it's good because obviously, if you're in a room and you're not lucky enough to have an Italian speaker with you, then you can ask Bing Translator. And this is a feature that's directly implemented into PowerPoint, and it also has. It also has some voice embedded in here, so that works pretty nicely. Let me just go back to this. Voila. Cool. So the presentation should, wow, yeah, look something like this. Voila. So my name is Florian, as we were saying, working on Bing Ads for Italy and France, and want to talk to you about trends in search. And the key thing here is that search, as we know it from the past sort of 15, 20 years, is going to change dramatically in the next 15 to 20 years. One of the things, you might think search is old school. It's like a really basic internet, but it's actually one of the key topics and challenges for the upcoming years, especially because of the amount of data that's coming in. So if you were to look at data as this mountain, based on different parameters such as volume, because the volume of data is growing dramatically, the velocity, the speed at which data is being exchanged, and the variability, and I'll speak about wearables after, the amount of data that's happening is growing expansively. So we're moving from, I think there's about 8 zettabytes of data worldwide right now, which is an octet times 21, and you need search engines to navigate throughout that data. And that necessity is even stronger as the volume of data grows. And also because the search habits are changing. We saw in the presentations before that what users are typing into search engines is not as basic as it used to be. In the old days, you might just put like 1 or 2 queries once, maybe a couple of days. But